In it. There you go.
Is he in?
This is Ali, the intrepid explorer in
You're
the
in.
kayak. You're in. You're going to be in more ways than one, Nobby. Go on. Cut his hand off, Ali. Let go.
Fucking buoyant.
They are buoyant. They're very buoyant.
They're more buoyant than you are.
You're the one who's not buoyant, old lads.
Just let go with it.
Right, paddle, paddle.
Oh.
Run, Forrest, run.
These are fucking horrible.
I'm going to tell your mother.
He's going in.
Put your legs back.
Legs in.
Put your legs in. You'll get your big feet caught.
Making us all feel inadequate now.
It is cheating sticking your legs out because you get better balance that way.
That's why he's doing it, obviously.
Aye, his mum's having a go now.
I've forgotten to put
All right. Oh no, that's all right.
I've forgotten to put the bung in the back.
Can't see settle with it.
He's obviously done it before.
Oh, famous last words. Oh!
They're not the most stable kayaks in the world, but for comedy value, they're brilliant.
She's doing really well.
You know how to turn, otherwise you'll be
She's in Barcelona in the
all the
morning.
way back there.
Oh! Well done, mother.
You know, I haven't worked out yet. Do the paddles float?
I don't know. I hope they're not like snorkels because they don't float.
Try getting on it in the water. Turn it back over. That's it. And then straddle the back. No, not on the side. Go on the back of it. Like you're getting on the back of a horse.
Yeah, don't do that either.
Yeah, as if she jumps on a horse every day.
Yeah.
You know,
We don't do a lot of that when we are.
film.
No, babe.
Well, you could do really. We live in Wales.
Trapped on the sheep, didn't you?
Yeah, there's a lot of those.
Ali looks so ungainly on
Yeah.
that thing.
But that's the trick, you know. You can keep your balance if you put your legs either side. But
Yeah,
it's
we
just
live in
cheating.
Wales.
Oh, right, okay.
We've not got... Yeah, it's nice. Look, the mountains there. Yeah, where the Ille Valley, where all the big, you know, sort of, that's on everything.
Put your feet in, Harry.
That's on it, that's on all
You're
the
cheating.
tourist things.
Put your feet in.
Cheating. Not if you forget.
Just wait.
Kayaking. It's about rolls and stuff like that. It's not for you to
Well, show us how I start.
Right, show us how to do a roll then on that. We can't do it in this.